Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the DAISY-08 Ballet Flat Mary Janes in black vegan leather by Demonia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Now let's take everything out of the box, and first you'll see we have this Demonia dust bag, which usually only comes for these smaller shoe sizes. You can also buy these shoes direct from Demonia Cult if you're in a different location, but we offer free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. So this is a double strap Mary Jane style, and we've got two different straps. One has the adjustable buckle with the eyelets, and one has the hook and loop with Velcro. So this buckle has the skull and bones design. And then you see this other one, it has the Velcro. This one also has a very tiny little skull there on the O-ring, if I can get the camera to focus. Plus the spike studs on the side there. We have elastic behind this one to give it a little bit more movement. We have the spiked cone-shaped studs all around the front vamp section. These have a flat sole with just that tiny little bit of a lift there in the heel end. I would say it's only a few millimeters there. You see the red Demonia logo on the bottom there of the insole. I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video. Now I'm just going to grab this other shoe out, as I like to give you views from every angle that I can, and then we'll have a look at them together. And this model comes in women's USA sizes 6 to 12, which also converts to European 36 to 42. So let us know in the comments what you think of this style. I think they're perfect for everyday wear, maybe for work or when you head down to the shops. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. We would love it if you subscribe to our channel, as we're still only small. We're trying to grow, but if you subscribe, it's going to help us to make more of these unboxing videos. Just want to take this out and then we're going to have a look at them together. Don't forget to drop a comment below to let us know what you think of this style, and tell us what shoe model you'd like to see unboxed next time, and we'll see what we can do to make it happen. We read every comment and we take your suggestions into consideration for our next videos. I love the ballet flats, but having the strap just makes them that much more sturdier when you're walking around. Well, that's just about all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favorite styles. Thanks for watching.